Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julie and I like to talk about handbags here on this channel. And if you're not new and you're returning, thank you guys for joining me again for another video. So today I've got a double Coach reveal coming your way. I went to the Coach store today and I have a lot of explaining to do. And please don't skip through this part to get to the unboxing because I have to explain that I returned the large pink Rowan. I did get the large pink Rowan. I'm gonna show a clip of me unboxing it because I was gonna put this video out instead of this one, but that bag is not me. It is not me at all. I strictly bought that bag because of, I think, the hype and the fact that I really love large Rowans. I really do. And I thought, I'm gonna totally adore this pink Rowan. As it turns out, I just was not excited about it. I think it was just the mix of the tan leather with the pink. It was just not me at all. I probably would prefer the older one that had like pink leather and pink. But either ways, I just don't think I'm a pink bag person. It's just who I am. So I brought that back to my Coach store and my SA actually bought that now. So it was like returned and then they grabbed it off my hands. It was basically, oh, you're returning your large Coach powder pink Rowan. I think we have somebody for it. So yeah, it's pretty crazy, you guys. So I did return it. And I brought in a bag for Coach Reloved credit. So I got that. And then I had some old credits. So you guys, this is just a combination of all of those credits plus the return. So let's just go ahead and get into each and every unboxing. So we'll go ahead and start with the small one first. And this is the new packaging. This is so nice. I do love it. The brown packaging is really gorgeous. So let's just get into this. This is something that is, I saw online and a girlfriend of mine on TikTok said that she got hers as well. And sorry about that, my dog's in the background. But here we go. We've got the pretzel. The charm is the Coach pretzel. Yes, I found this. And this is, it's kind of a rare charm. It's now on sale. If you can nab one, I think I paid like $75 for it. I paid for it with my Coach credit, but this is so awesome. It's huge. And I think it's gonna look really good on some of my other large Rowans that I have, or just some of my larger Coach bags. I have to kind of figure out what it would be good on. Maybe my Bleecker bucket bag. But it's so pretty. It's got a nice mix of browns and then the crystals. Just so gorgeous. The brass hardware. So this is really, really fun. And I'm glad I got it because I don't have any of the crystal-y charms yet. So the main course of this unboxing is going to be in this. It's going to be in this box right here. Again, the new packaging, so lovely. And I just love my store for doing this. This is really, really nice of them. So let's just go into it. I have got several of these bags already, and I was eyeballing this version though, because they keep coming out with new iterations of this bag. You can probably tell by the shape of it what it might be. Okay, here we go, guys. So I did get the Coach soft quilted tabby in the black with gold hardware. She is gorgeous. This is in goat skin leather, and I haven't seen too many reviews about this bag, but I just knew I had to have it. Like, I needed to have one of these bags because I like how the quilts are really deflated and how the base is very like flattening. You know what this bag reminds me of? It reminds me of the Chanel reissue. So how the Chanel reissue is very much more smooshy. This bag is just like that. And it has just a simple chain. It doesn't have the leather going through it, which I think makes it also very elegant. I am so obsessed with this. I love it. It also has the kind of closure that I really like compared to like the chain tabby, because it was between this or getting the black chain tabby with the silver hardware. And ultimately I picked this one. I'm glad I did too. The closure on the chain tabby and my soft tabby, I have another one of those, is that magnet, and you always have to fish around for it, which with this one, it's just a push pin, and I love that so much more. And this is set up just like the quilted tabby, except you have way more giveability. I'm absolutely in love with this, and I cannot wait to put my things into it. It's gorgeous. They have this bag in the color biscuit. They have it in maple, and they had it in the, I think, pecan too, and black. And the reason why I didn't get pecan, because I love pecan, is I already have a soft leather tabby that's just a regular smooth leather tabby in pecan. I'm sorry, it's probably hard to keep track of how many tabbies I have, but I'm just insanely in love with this. The leather feels so nice. It's this just pure goatskin leather, and then you have a magnetic back pocket right here, ideal for the phone. It's just nice. It gives a lot. So it's so funny. I have had a collection of like 4 Pillow Madisons at one point in time. Guys, I'm down to 1 now. So I think the reason why is because the Pillow Madison was great for me for many years, and I collected them and I loved them. But ultimately the tabby kind of took over that obsession for organization and kind of the quilted feeling that I wanted. I think over time I just didn't want such puffy quilts. And I think that the tabbies, again, just kind of took over my obsession for a, more of like a bag that can go shoulder bag or crossbody. I think that this bag is just elegant. I'm gonna wear this a lot because it's gonna go with so much. And I'm just so happy. It was between this color and the maple for me. I went with black though because I already had that pecan tabby, and I thought maybe the maple one would be a little bit too close of a shade to have like 2 brown tabbies in. So my SA and I talked, and he said, you have the navy quilted tabby, and then you can have a black one. And I think that that would work out well in case you didn't want to wear the navy or your black Pillow Madison. You could use your black tabby. And I think he's exactly right. They don't have a myriad of colors. Coach doesn't in a lot of bags. A lot of bags are all strictly neutrals right now. I wish that could change and Coach could have like 10 colors of every bag on the planet, but they can't. So I understand. But yeah, I'm so excited. Once I've used this bag, I'm going to do a full handbag review of it, do probably like a tabby collection video, just because it's my ultimate favorite style at the moment with Coach. Like, I'd have to say it's probably my trending style with Coach. I love Rogues and I love tabbies, and yeah, so obsessed with it. It's just, for it being a small bag, I have a feeling this bag is going to be able to pack all my essentials and then be great for every day and perfect for like the summertime, because this is just going to wear really, really well. I probably won't take this out into the rain very much. I'm a little concerned about how goatskin will wear, but just with the feeling of this feels way more durable than my quilted tabby in the navy. Like, that one feels a lot more delicate. And then how these kind of smoosh in like this, that's gonna allow for a lot more space. It's still gonna be able to sit up a lot better. And hopefully I don't get that much corner wear off of it. But yeah, what do you guys think about this chain too? So here's the chain, so pretty. I probably would not wear this with any of my tabbies, but this is kind of what this looks like. Is that ridiculous? I think it probably is. This is definitely a wonderful charm, I think, on a bigger bag for sure. Just because it's massive. Like if I had a Maple Brown Empire 40 or something like that, I think that would be really nice on that. So, but yes, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to switch my things inside of it here soon and wear this week. I'm loving it. So that's what I got for you. I just feel like I have been making, like, the last 2 Coach purchases I've made leading up to my last 2 bags I've bought have been misses. Like I bought the Lana 19 and regretted it, so I returned it and bought my last brown tabby. And then I bought the large powder pink Rowan and didn't love it as much as I thought I would, and I returned it and I got this guy. So I think I just know what I like and I need to just be happy. As far as right now though, anything else at Coach I'm intrigued with, maybe the Kisslock barrel, but I don't think I need any more bags. Like I feel pretty happy, and I'm really trying to do a 1 in 1 out rotation now because I'm kind of filling up space in my bag room. But this one is just so nice, and I'm so happy because my black with gold hardware collection by Coach has kind of gone in waves, but ultimately, like, this is my favorite combo. Like, seriously, black with gold hardware. I don't think I'm gonna miss having black with silver hardware because I used to have a black with silver hardware quilted tabby at one point in time, and I sold that one off because I wasn't really rocking silver much. I wear a lot of, like, my ring is gold. I wear more gold jewelry probably. So yeah, I'm not regretting that sale. And I kind of want to have a myriad of the tabbies. Like I want to try, you know, other tabby styles. However, I think right now I have like 5 different tabbies and they're all different ones. So super happy. I love the 26 size. It's definitely my go-to size. It's definitely the one that can hold what you got to hold for the day. The Tabby 33 or the Tabby 36, I want to say. So you have the quilted Tabby 33, awesome bag, gorgeous. I think that would be one to try to get. Or the Times Square Tabby 26, gorgeous. You know, in fact, that's what this bag somewhat emulates in a way. Is I never really thought of that. So I'm happy I did get this because I did like the Times Square Tabby 26 because it's an oversized big mama. This one is probably a little bit more petite than that because the Times Square Tabby 26 is a lot like higher. So, but it has this deflated quilting and it's smooshy and gushy. So that's about it, you guys. I can go on and I want to stop. So thank you so much and take care. Have a great week ahead, and I'll see you next weekend.